Real super fast tutorial how to remove and reinstall a oil pressure sensor for a 2007 Chevy Impala. First you gotta disconnect the battery just for safety measures, and then this is a sensor. It has a clip. All you do is lift it up and pull it out. You need a 27-inch socket, deep socket, and 14-inch long extension to pull it out. To pull it out, you go left for loose and right for tightening up. But first you have to remove this shield. The shield here, it has 3 bolts. One right there, one right there, and one right there. It goes right in there. So just pull it out, say the bolts, and you'll be able to reach it. It's right down. Let me see if I could get it. It's right there with all that greasy mess is right there. So you go under the manifold. You don't have to go underneath. And just put it in there and remove it. That's all you have to do. And then to put it back on, put it back by hand. Tighten it by hand, and then later on use a 27th socket to lock it up. But don't tighten it too much. And then you're all set. Anybody could do it. Okay, good luck. I forgot to mention, make sure on the new one, the O-ring is on it, because mine wasn't on it. I had to put it on. And I put some synthetic oil around it. Don't put oil. They say put oil, but that eats up the rubber. So just either use silicone grease or silicone, any kind of silicone base lubricant to put on the O-ring, and then you'll be fine. And just lock it up. Extension of almost 14.5 length to reach the oil pressure sensor. So I taking a measurement right there from the socket to the extension to the ratchet is around 14.5. We're going to start up the car and see how the signal, so light pops up again or it goes away. The oil light and the oil pressure. Oil pressure's gone. Service tire monitors on. Trunk's open, which I have it open. So everything's off. Brakes on. Brakes off. It's fixed. Cost me like $36 to repair it. Plus I had to get the socket. Cost me like $11 socket at Harbor Freight. So no, about $5 at Harbor Freight. The socket, a 27mm. So everything's all good.